New motor time.
Yeah. We got Mitchell tinting up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit up this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out at OSW. We got a private day out here with Nico and some of the local Daytona boys. We got everything already unloaded and all that. We got a bunch of tires we're gonna burn off. Some fresh X comps ready to go. We got the ignition speed tent here. We got a bunch of our boys, so we're gonna get to it. Let's go. Alright, so right now we're gonna get the car and take the helmets over to the tech guy, and he's gonna tech everything, and we should set the cones up after that, and then we're all gonna get on track. So let's get to it. Alright, so we already got teched. We're about to take the first lap. We're just waiting on Philip. He's getting strapped in. We're gonna hit the first one, so let's go. So we went on the first couple laps. They're gonna move around some of the cones a little bit. It was too far deep on the backside after the Monty, but they're gonna fix that and we're gonna try it again. So let's get to it. Hey guys! Mitch Drifts here. We're gonna show you how to fix your drift car. Alright, so we went on a few laps. Track's good. We got all the cones set up the way we like. We're already went through the first set of tires, so we're changing those out. and we're gonna get back out there. But I'm gonna run out here and film some of the other guys real quick, and I'll show you guys what else is going on. So let's get to it.
Maps are for losers anyways.
good run. We took a bunch of runs, so I don't know, we're gonna chill out for a minute, let the car cool off, then we'll get back out there. Alright, so we did some tandems with Nico. He's got a Supra he's been driving lately. This thing's pretty badass. It's doing good.
Yeah, she is. For a mild street angle kit that's bolt on, not bad at all.
Yeah, this thing's sick. We were doing some tandems with this thing. It's keeping up good. Staying good. Check this out.
You want to go for a ride in it?
Yeah, we can. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna go for a ride with Nico and the Supra, so let's get to it.
For days, bro.
That was good. Hell yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, so that's what it's like to ride in a Supra. Now we know what a Raddan feels like.
Oh, shit. Let's go.
Hell yeah. So we took a ride in Nico's car. This thing is pretty sick, so that was super fun. But we're gonna head out, get my car, get back on track, and do some more tandems. So we got Fly Day Drones out here. He came out here to film for us today. We really appreciate all your hard work that you do. But
I always appreciate the invites. I love this.
So check out this unit he's got here. He's got an AC unit here, powered by this battery to cool off the drone that he uses. That's a cool drone.
Thank
It's
you.
a 13. I didn't even know they made them in white.
They do now.
Yeah, that's sick.
Yeah, I get that special treatment. No, it's not. I'm not special.
Yeah. He's even got a solar panel to charge everything. That's pretty cool.
You have to take advantage of that free power.
Yeah, smart idea.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I love it. I couldn't do this without it.
Yeah. So we appreciate you coming out. We're gonna get back out there and drive. Let's go. Alright, so we may or may not have blown the motor, so we have to wait a little bit for it to cool off, but it basically lost power and bogged down and turned off. So we're gonna inspect it a little more and kind of find out what's wrong with it. So it sucks, but yeah, price you pay.
Finish the lap though.
Yeah, it was a hard lap. That dude was like, oh my god. Yeah, it was so fun. So I don't know, we're just gonna wait it out and see. So.
Alright, so you tell me if you think it's blown up. What do you think?
It's definitely blown up.
Want to take a listen?
Alright, let's try to start.
Alright. Oh, that's all she wrote.
Hold on, let me try it one more time.
What do you think that is? 5 cylinders?
We'll just have to get another car or motor. I'll probably just buy that car off Marketplace, so I'll have something tomorrow to drift. I can't wait, I'm impatient. So we'll buy a car and then we'll buy a motor. So I think that's what we'll do.
We'll build 2 more.
Yeah, okay.
What you thinking?
I'm thinking,
New motor time.
Yeah, bigger motor time.
yeah. That was definitely worth the $600 that we put in this motor, because we got what, like good 6 months out of it, maybe, give or take. So
Listen, buddy, you've been hot lapping all day.
Yeah.
All day, non-stop.
Yeah.
Balls to the wall, unlimited.
All day.
I think she deserves some pressure, man.
Alright guys, so this guy's got this badass truck out here, so check this thing out. He's gonna tell us all about it.
It's a 1990 Ford Ranger. Got a 6.0 LS, stage 2 cam, tuned by KSR Performance out of Gainesville, Florida, or Kevin Smith.
That's one of Cletus's boys out there, old Kevin. Heck yeah.
Pullovers all the way around, camber kit, angle kit. Got a roll cage. Everything custom built by me and my son.
Yeah.
It's about 7 months to build it.
This thing's bad, man.
Yes, sir,
It's
yeah.
bad, yeah.
408 horsepower, about 400 pounds per foot of torque.
Heck yeah.
Yes, sir. And
So-
we're just learning.
Yeah, so they're new to the OSW track. They've never been out here before. We were helping them with the car a little bit and stuff, but this thing's a ripper.
Thank you. Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
it's definitely a ripper. So I don't know. We're gonna get back out there and let's go. All right, so the motor's blown. We're about to load this thing up. I'm gonna try to drive it on the trailer with a blown motor. So let's see how that goes. Cut off.
All right, emergency escape. Doors can't open. Clock's ticking. You died.
Alright, so we're in the car, my boy JDM Fresco. We're gonna take a ride in his car. He's gonna show us what's up.
What's up,
Let's
people?
go.
Everyone's done. Oh.
Hey, you're real consistent.
Thank
At
you.
least during that chase, my car keeps overheating, so I keep jumping out with you.
That's what I figured. I figured you did one lap and they go.
I have
cool
the
off.
like AC fan, like not hardwired on, but I unplugged the AC compressor and then just turn the AC on.
So it's constantly on, yeah. But that's only one fan, right? Not
Heater
both?
on all the way. Yeah, just one. It's supposed to have both on
Yeah.
at this heat, but you were like on my door. I was like, what the
Yeah.
fuck?
This
I
car
need
is
to lower
like...
my PSI real quick. I'm at 70. You need to bring it down.
It gets like the car's talent and then my talent. So like it could do a lot. I just don't know what I'm doing just yet.
That
so.
you don't want to throw it in a fucking wall.
I have another one, so not a big deal. But I just don't know what I'm doing.
One day I'll be able to say that. One day I'm working towards it. I can be like, yeah, I got another one of these hoes.
Yeah, I got a red one, so it's like whatever. But I just it's a lot of car for me, so it's like.
I mean, you're doing good. I mean, sometimes you just that little fine tune shit,
Yeah.
like like an alignment or like just really dialing it in from your style.
Yeah, it feels really good.
But I mean, feeling as far as watching it, it seems really good.
Thank you. I had fun though.
Hell yeah.
All right, let's see if I can get someone else
Where's
around.
it paying off? You're getting better.
Thank you. That's cool. That's dope. Yeah, the car is just fast.
Yeah.
I went from the E36 where it was like 190 horsepower. This is like 400, so it's just a jump.
You sold that car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I sold it, and then we bought a truck, and then we went to Japan. Oh, we're doing the thing.
All right, so we went on the first lap. I guess we're gonna do some tandems with the other Mustang, so let's get to it.
That was way better for me. Way better? Yeah, perfect. Yeah. I just keep trying to cut in. You gotta leave. You gotta leave. No? I'm gonna give him a lot of space.
Alright, so that's the end of today. We rode with JDM Fresco. We rode with Nico. Phillips over here taking the tent down. Check out the shirt, limiter gloves. Don't forget to check out limiter gloves. Get you some of those gloves. We used them all day today. ShopIgnitionsSpeed.com and XComp Tires. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.